Alright guys, I don't know what to say really, but all I know is that this server was crazy. I don't know if it was modded or if it was an admin, but these tornadoes were so fast, they were giant, and some of them were small, but the wind speeds were crazy. You gotta watch this.
600! 601! 601! It's 601! It was 601!
This is a massive monster right here, and I'm saying massive monster.
Bro,
I'm putting
that
my
thing, guys, I'm going to camp in that corner. I'm gonna go camp in that corner. There's literally, you have to camp in the corner.
Bro, that thing moved the speed of...
So the reason I said camp in the corner is because all the tornadoes were spawning there, and they were all just really fast, so we had no time to intercept them if we were across the map.
Lightning McQueen. What the hell?
The speed of Lightning McQueen.
Bro.
Guys, I gotta drive in front of the tornado.
Guys, I'm also in the Dom too because I just want to be in the Dom too. I'm gonna camp in that corner though.
What is that flying in that sky? What is that?
That's the strat, is you camp in the corner, guys. Camp in the corner, that's the strat.
Yo, what's up, guys?
I'm doing that. There's two tornadoes.
And then the next tornado's gonna be in the other corner.
I repeat, there's a tornado on the ground. There's a tornado on the ground.
We gotta wait. It's gonna spawn somewhere near the dealership. It's gonna get me back to the dealership. I haven't put down 6.
Guys, I'm down here. Why are you up there?
Okay, went up to 26,000.
Wait, where's the tornado?
No, it didn't. 26,000?
So as you guys can see right here, the cape is really big, a lot of numbers, and so is the wind shear. The wind shear basically makes the tornado move really fast, I'm pretty sure.
I never had this.
Oh, it's a garage.
Turn around, go.
Alright, so right here you really get to see how fast these tornadoes are. I almost got wiped out by this one right here if I didn't act fast enough and go in the garage.
The tornado needs to spawn already.
Turned around.
If you place down the brubs, the tornado might be like, it might take a different path. You never know. I've seen a tornado change path in the server before.
Okay, when a tornado spawns, oh shoot, never mind.
In this scene, you really see how fast it was because almost instantly we started getting lifted and then almost instantly we got put back down.
Oh, shoot! Go! Someone help me! Oh, God! Holy!
That just truly shows you how fast and strong these tornadoes were.
So my Dom 2 is gone!
So in this scene, you can really see more clearly on how strong these tornadoes really were.